Alright guys, I'm going to do a Blackstone Griddle review today, just for you guys. But before you guys do watch this review, make sure that you compare prices before you buy this griddle, because prices vary everywhere you buy them, okay? I bought mine at Costco, got a great deal for it, paid under $400 for it. Not sure if that deal is always going to last, but just keep that in mind, okay? Let's get started on this review. What I really liked about this Blackstone is it's giant. I mean, this is huge. This is my hand right here, right? This is literally about like 2 feet, almost 3 feet this way, 2 feet this way. It's a giant plate. All right. And I like the fact it's got these 4 burners and the heat is pretty evenly distributed. However, on the left side, I've noticed it gets hotter than the right side. Typically right here, this section right here, this is the hot side. And this tends to be the low side. But yeah, I bought these things. These are crucial to buy because when you're cooking, all the gunk doesn't get stuck in here. I recommend buying these. This just has like a little magnet. You can just add it right here. But yeah, that has like a little plate over here, which I bought some of these as well from Amazon. These come in handy. These are like little grease buckets. But yeah, to turn this thing on, I mean, it's pretty simple. You just turn on the gas, hit that gas here. It's got the automatic button. It takes one AA. See the fire on there. But yeah, I'm not gonna turn them all on, but it's pretty easy. Turn this gas back off. All right, and to build this thing, it took me about 1 hour to build it. Instructions are pretty easy. It's very heavy in the box, so if you can have someone help you, that's definitely a plus. It's got these little hangers here for your spatulas and tongs over here as well. And what I really like is it has places to open your beer. This thing's pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. But it just has a ton of like little places to put spatulas. Versus like my Pit Boss, where it doesn't really have these as much. It only has 4. This is nice. You can put some food on this side as you're preparing. You even chop some onions and cilantro on this side. So it's pretty awesome, you know. And it's made pretty sturdy. Although this part here is kind of questionable. The door, kind of flimsy, you know. Look at it. But it's still pretty heavy. This is a plate where it's a rock, and I just cooked on it, so don't mind all the dirt. Don't be hating on it, because I do clean it every time I use it. All right, guys. But yeah, it's got the little lock right here for the wheels, and it's a pretty well made plate. I've made several foods on it. I've made chicken fajitas. I cooked some breakfast on it already. I made some short ribs one day, so I mean, I'm happy with it. I'm gonna keep continuing to cook on it. I still haven't made burgers on it, which I really want to do. But it's perfect for like burgers, hot dogs. You can sear some ribs, some steaks on here. I think it's best for breakfast though, however. But yeah, I definitely would recommend buying one of these if you like to make tacos as well. Just try to look for it under 500. Like I said, I paid 400 for mine. And as you can see, I have several grills. Got this guy here, which doesn't work anymore. I have my Pit Boss over there, which is my baby. So now I got this one here, and I've been messing with this one a lot, and I really like it. So let me know what you think about this review. Like I said, I would definitely go out and buy this thing, just because you can buy one of those ones at the swap meet, and they're kind of cheap, and you don't know how long they're gonna last. This one here is well constructed. I know that for a fact. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think. Hit that like button, hit that share button, and don't forget to subscribe. If you're not a member of Orozco's Kitchen, make sure you guys get on my page, subscribe, because I'm making all kinds of different recipes, making it really fun.